Honor V purse. This new future concept phone. It's the first time we consider, not from technology point of view, we consider from the fashion point of view. What kind of daily life should be in our life in the future? What kind of design philosophy we can add it in the smartphone industry? Not only just the function, the parameter, the performance, the muscles. We can have another way to see our digital life. The phone can be like this. Yeah, can be so brilliant. So this is the magic way from phone to purse. Yes. Thank you. When we change the mindset, we have a lot of solutions. And with new Honor V Purse, we want to be everything should be the soul status and also pursue the extreme design. Of course, Honor V Purse will break our record. Just now, we say Honor Magic V2, the thickness is 9.9 millimeters. We bring the foldable phone into the millimeter era. With the Honor V Plus, the thickness will challenge less than 9 millimeters. It's the industry thinnest, the foldable phone. And it's so stylish, a beautiful design. It's even thinner than today's bar phone. If you have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, I can guarantee to you, Honor V Plus is thinner than Galaxy S23 Ultra. But please remember, this is a foldable phone. It's unbelievable. And you can design your purse. You can personalize your style, customize your purse style. And also that you can personalize both sides. Not only this, also, another side. It's so your personal, your most favorite one. Of course, you can change the straps and chains like this. I know today for ladies warriors, you have a lot of bags. When you wear some dress, shopping or party, you face a big challenge. You always find you lose one. You really needed the purse. But with the Honor V purse, they can perfect match your outfit. Like this. Oh, like this way. Okay, so for the lady and gentlemen, Honor V purse, I believe, solve your big requirement. Now, you can change your purse style anytime, anywhere. You can personalize your most favorite purse, your most favorite design. And then today, with the Honor V purse, we can improve the end consumer self-expression. In the different occasion, we want to have a very specialized purse to show that my emotion And also the changeable based on the time, based on the occasion, and also based on your emotion. By the way, for example, during the business meeting, you want to be professional. You can use this kind of purse. When you go shopping, you can change this one. Or when you walk on the street, the purse can be like this. And then when you move it, they show the movement. Honorary purse make you so fascinating. You are the most popular one. You attract eyes when you walk to any place. This should be our daily life. This should be the new life cycle. And of course, you can interact with your purse. When you touch it, they can feel and give you respect. And also, the way for digital, the pads, and also can change by the time. In daytime, it be classic. During night, the fireflies will come out. It's really amazing. You can imagine a lot of things that we can do with the honorary purse. So here you also have a lot of trendsetter or designer join us. With honorary purse, we want to provide a design platform. And the global designer and artist can use this, the platform, design their most favorite, the purse. Such like this one, this is Mexico, the artist. They use this, the environment protection concept. It's the algorithm to awake the people, the concept to protect the environment. And also the nature lens. The nature is so brilliant and beautiful and colorful. And we can, with the honorary purse, we can demonstrate how beautiful of the nature. And this reflects the phone development. It's like a history mirror. It's so that you integrate a lot of functions. It also can be the way to show the price of the flower. The flower can also tell you here its emotion, its feeling. And put the hand on the display to show that ourselves. The global designer and the artist, they have so fantastic the idea. I think make our honorary process so brilliant. So here I also want to use this opportunity to invite the global designer to join our the activity. That we will open honorary purse design platform. The fashionable, the fantastic purse design will come out. So everybody can join. So today, in IFA States, we launched the new concept phone. Honor just want to express our design philosophy. Smartphone not only give us the convenience, they help us improve the daily usage, daily life. Also can be a fashionable, stylish, sexy, and amazing. Show that we will want to work with the industry, with the designer, with the artist together to bring the purse design to the end consumer. And as a challenger, I think for honor today is just a start. We will share a lot of the good concept to the industry. Okay, today I want to use a video to make a summary about honor papers. Please take a look.